Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on mobile. First, download the Notion app from your device's app store. Once installed, log in using your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. You'll find the mobile interface intuitive, with a sidebar for navigation and a quick search bar at the top. This allows you to easily access your pages and databases on the go, keeping your information organized and accessible from anywhere. Organizing your workspace on Notion Mobile is straightforward. You can easily create new pages and databases directly from your phone, just like on desktop. To rearrange content, simply drag and drop blocks to your desired position, making quick edits a breeze. Don't forget to utilize the wide range of templates available to quickly set up common workflows, saving you valuable time and effort. This flexibility ensures your workspace remains tidy and functional. Notion Mobile offers powerful advanced features for productivity. You can easily set reminders and due dates for tasks directly within your pages, ensuring you never miss an important deadline. Collaboration is seamless. Share pages with others and grant specific permissions for editing or viewing. Furthermore, leverage linked databases to connect information across your entire workspace, creating a truly integrated system. These tools empower you to manage complex projects effectively. To maximize your mobile Notion experience, enable offline access for crucial pages. This allows you to work seamlessly even without an internet connection. Customize your mobile view settings for optimal readability, adjusting font sizes and layouts to suit your preference. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home or office setup. Keep exploring Notion's capabilities to boost your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.